welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are doing something very exciting. In today's video, I am working with Oufer body jewelry again. If you guys have been subscribed to me for a while, you guys know I usually do an annual Halloween body jewelry haul and try on. Well, this time we are working together to show you guys some of their Christmas body jewelry, which I don't think I've ever done before. I think this is my first time ever doing like a Christmas body jewelry with Oufer. I could be wrong, but nonetheless, I'm very excited about it and I cannot wait to show you guys these pieces and try them on for you guys. And really quickly, just to be transparent with you guys, this video is sponsored by Oufer and they did send me these pieces for free to make this video for you guys. And the reason I'm making this is another really exciting thing because Oufer is having their Black Friday sale. I cannot believe Black Friday is already coming. November 24th through the 26th, and you can get 50% off of Oufer website, off of these pieces, off of anything that you see on Oufer, 50% off. You can use the code BLACK50 and I will have more information and links down in the description box. If there's anything to spend money on Black Friday, it's body jewelry because if you have piercings, you know. If you know, you know. For this video, for the majority of the jewelry that I picked, most of it is ear piercings, and actually all of it is except one. I also got a septum ring as well, which I'm really excited about, but I mostly wanted to have like cartilage pieces and just like really cute little I almost said Halloween, oh my goodness. Just some cute little holiday Christmas pieces. They're just so freaking cute. I'm obsessed. They're so dainty, they're so pretty, they're so cute. They're not super big, they're not gaudy, they don't look weird in the ear. Like, these are just so freaking beautiful. And can we just take a minute to appreciate the cute packaging that Oufer has? Like, look at the Merry Christmas and all of that stuff on there, the little festive. I just love that they do that. They do that with their Halloween body jewelry as well, which I think is super, super cool. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. I did already remove some of my ear piercings just to save a little bit of time, but I think I'll eventually switch all of them out. We're just gonna start, and I'm just gonna show you all of the pieces one by one, and then we will go ahead and start putting them in the ears. Okay, so since these pieces are a little smaller and a little more dainty, I'm gonna move in closer so that way I can really show you guys what they look like. So everything comes in these little boxes right here, and you basically just slide them out like that, and you have these really cool little cellophane packagings where the jewelry sits right in there. So this first one, as you can see, I got this one for a reason because the septum ring actually matches it, and it is this little, and also all of these are 16 gauge. The lengths on them, I want to say they're around 6 to 7 millimeters in length. I'm pretty sure this one is externally threaded. Yes, it is. And this first one is this really cute little silver star. I thought this would look really cute in like a helix or maybe even a conch piercing. Here's what the barbell looks like. I want to say the balls are around 3 millimeters. That's about what I'm guessing the size are, 2 to 3 millimeters. And to go along with that, like I said, I got a matching septum ring to go with it. My septum is 16 gauge and I usually get about 10 millimeters in diameter for the size. Matches identically with that little silver star that I just showed you guys. So here's the septum ring right here. I cannot wait to put this in. I feel like it's going to be a little bit different. I don't think I've ever had anything like this before, but it looks really cute and I just think it'll look really nice with the little matching star earring. I don't know, really, really cute. The next pair of earrings I actually got these for my sister because I can't really wear this kind of earring anymore because my ears are stretched. But I saw these and my sister, oh my gosh, if you guys knew my sister, she's the walking Christmas spirit, okay? She loves Christmas. She goes all out, everything Christmas. She loves it. It is her all-time favorite holiday. And when I saw these, I instantly thought of her and I was like, I have to get these for her. She is gonna absolutely love these. And it is just a pair of little 20 gauge earrings and oh my God, are they precious. But they are these little tiny Christmas trees with the little star on top. The Christmas trees are all blinged out and then it just has a little dangly bit at the bottom and it says Oufer on the bottom, but these are just so cute and these will look so cute in my sister's ears. So I had to get these for her. They're just too perfect. They look really well made too. Like the gems look like they're in there really nice and secure. So These are just gonna look so cute in her ears. I cannot wait to surprise her with those. And yeah, like I said, they're just your little standard like 20 gauge earrings. And moving on, all of the rest of these are for my ears. I'm so excited. So this first one is probably like my all-time favorite. It is just the cutest damn thing I've ever seen in my life. It is this little itty bitty, teeny tiny little stocking earring. Like, are you kidding me? Like the gems, the little red stocking. Here's what the barbell looks like. Look how adorable and cute that is. Like this in a helix. Oh my gosh, like I'm obsessed. Like look how cute that is. It is just so darling and so quaint and just, it's so cute. Like, and that's the thing is like, I like holiday themed body jewelry, but I like when it's cute and small like this and it's not like boom in your face, you know what I mean? So I had to get that one. The next one is also really, really cute. This one is Santa themed. We have a couple Santa themes in this one, but this one is a little bit more of kind of like a Santa nod because it has a little silver gem and then the top is a little Santa hat, as you can see right there. Look how precious this is. Oh my gosh. So it's like Santa, but it's not. It just has the little nod to Santa with the little Santa hat right at the top there, with the little red hat and the gems, like, and these are just so incredibly sparkly and so cute. The next one is just as cute as the little stocking that I showed you, but this one is a little tiny Christmas tree. A little Christmas tree, are you kidding me? Have you guys put up your Christmas tree yet? Let me know in the comments. It is a little itty bitty tiny Christmas tree right there. Oh my gosh, look how cute. It's just a little green Christmas tree with a little red star on top and it has the little ornaments. Please forgive the state of my nails. We've been going through it with my nails lately, so just kind of ignore the ratchetness that are my nails, but I mean, just focus on the body jewelry. That's what this is about. It is so cute right there. And again, all of these are 16 gauge and there is what the barbell and the ball look like. And then the very last pieces, there's 3 in here. These come in a set of 3 and again, these are all holiday themed. So when you open it up, we have 3 little pieces in here. So this first one I want to show you guys, this one is a little itty bitty tiny candy cane. See if we can get close enough so I can show you. So here is what the candy cane looks like. It's just a red and white candy cane with a little green bow on it. Super, super cute and dainty and tiny. And then, of course, we have a Santa. We had to get Santa in there. I love Santa. Here is what Mr. Santa looks like with his red beard and his hat and his little cherry nose and his eyes. Look how precious he is. Oh my gosh, he is absolutely adorable. And then the third one that comes in this set is a cute little Santa hat, but it also has a little dangle kind of on the end of the hat and almost looks like the North Star. So here is what the last piece looks like. It's just a little Santa hat with, it looks like we have, oh, it's like some holly. So we have some holly on the Santa hat right at the top there, and then we have the little dangle star that hangs down, which I think is super, super cute. Oh my gosh. I don't know where I want to put this one, just because it does have the little dangle on it, so we're just gonna kind of have to play around. So now that I have shown you guys all of the really cute pieces, now it is time to put them in my face and in my ears. We are gonna start with the septum ring with the little stars on it. I did unscrew the star. It does unscrew. It's not like a clicker or anything. You just kind of have to get a good grip on it to get it to untwist, but we got that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove my septum. There we go. Slide that out. And then we're going to take the new one. And slide it through. Oh, cute. Right, easy peasy. Okay guys, so here is what the little star septum ring looks like, and oh my gosh, that is so interesting looking. I've never had anything like this before. Again, it is 16 gauge, 10 millimeter in diameter. If you wanted to be able to flip it up inside your nose, I would maybe go up a size or 2, just so you are able to, because with how close the stars are together, I don't think I would be able to flip it up very easily, but that's okay. I don't need to hide any of my piercings. It's actually not too bad. Like, it's not too out there. It's definitely different. What do you guys think of the little star septum ring? I think it's kind of cute. Okay, next, we're gonna move on to the ears, and I think I'm gonna put the little silver star in my conch piercing. I'm just gonna move my hair out of the way, and we will screw the little ball on. Easy peasy. So here is the little silver star in my conch piercing right there. All right, and then I'm just gonna quickly go in and remove some of the other jewelry. Okay guys, so it is a really long time later. I wanted to take out the rest of the black jewelry and kind of put in some silver pieces again before we start putting more of the holiday stuff in. And I had a heck of a time trying to get my rook out, and I'm having a heck of a time trying to get my silver piece back in there. So we're just gonna let it chill, and we're gonna put in some of these holiday pieces. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 earrings, so I don't know how I want to do this. I think for sure I want the stocking. Actually, the stocking would look cute over here. Just gonna pop her through. And this one is externally threaded as well. Here's what the little stocking looks like in the ear. Oh my gosh, that is so precious. I'm just gonna make sure it's tight. All right, and then this ear, how do I want to do this? I think for sure I want the little Christmas tree over here. Right through there. And this is my flat helix, so it lays nice and flat in there. So we have the little Christmas tree. And then, I think I'm gonna put the little gem with the Santa hat. I think I'm gonna put that one in my midway. Right there. That's really cute. Just like that. Oh my gosh, look how cute! Oh, I'm obsessed. I love this one so much. This one is probably my favorite next to the stocking. I like the stocking and the little gem with the Santa hat right there. I think that one is really cute. So we have one more open spot, and right next to the Christmas tree, I don't want it to like clash super hard. I don't know how I want to do this. I really like the candy cane, but I don't know if the candy cane is gonna clash too much with the green. Let's move the Christmas tree. Try the Santa hat with the gem. That's cute right there. Just gonna slide something in my daith really quick. I think I actually might just put just a ring in this one because I feel like it would be too cramped if I put something else there. There we go. I think that looks better. Just because like these two piercings are so close to each other, I don't want it to be super cramped, so I'll just put like a little ring here. Okay, so that one's done. That one's in. I really think Santa would be cute in the conch. Let's put Santa in the conch. Let's try that. Oh, cute. Okay, I really like Santa there. I think that's really, really cute. So we have the little stocking, we have Santa, we have the other little Santa gem, and we have the Santa hat with the little dangle North Star right there. Well, I need to try to get this rook in because I am having a heck of a time trying to get this thing in. So we're gonna try my little ball catcher here. So I got the ball in the ball catcher, and we are gonna try to get this rook in because I have been having such a hard time with it. All right, slide in there. Did we get it? I think we got it. I think we finally got the rook. All I needed was my little ball catcher there. Whoo! Holy crap. Sometimes this little ball catcher can be really frustrating, but other times it can be so freaking helpful, especially when it comes to that, because woo, was I having a hard time. So I had 6 pieces of the earrings from Oufer, the holiday ones, and I didn't use 3 of them so far. So I still have the candy cane, the Christmas tree, and the little star. I think I like the way it looks right now, but as, you know, time goes on, I can totally switch things up. Like I could have the Christmas tree and the candy cane here, or vice versa over here, but I think right now is how I'm gonna keep it. So we're all back to the silver. Again, I still have all this empty space. If I had more ear piercings, I could totally put more here, but we kind of have to just work with what we have. But I think it looks really, really good how it all turned out. My ears are very red right now, especially this one because I was messing with my rook for so long. Alrighty guys, so here's the finished product on both ears with the Oufer Holiday Christmas Body Jewelry. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below, have you guys ever worn holiday body jewelry before? If so, what was your favorite piece in here? Would you wear any of these? How would you style these? Let me know down below, and don't forget about their Black Friday sale November 24th through the 26th. Use code BLACK50 for 50% off of your order. Thank you so much to Oufer for working with me on this video. I absolutely love your pieces. They are so freaking adorable. You guys make the best body jewelry. Like, it's so creative and so cute, and I love how small and cute everything is. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go down and give a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to check out all the information down in the description box. If you guys are new to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, make sure you subscribe down below, that red subscribe button. Turn on all notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos from me. But as the rest of you, I love you guys so very much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. I love you guys, and happy holidays. Bye. Mwah.